Hey everyone, today we are going to be writing Satisfied from the musical Hamilton. So if that's something you'd like to write with us here today, there is a link down below in the description box for the Chrome Music Lab, or you can find it by going to google.com and searching Chrome Music. But without any further ado, let's go ahead and get started. First and foremost, we're going to click down below in our Settings tab right here. Once you have clicked Settings, we're going to change just a few things. The length, it says 4. We want to double it to 8. 8 bars. The scale will say major. We want to change that to chromatic. Beats per bar, we're going to keep it as 4, split into 2 beats here. Starting on middle C, and we're going to keep the 2 octave range. So the only things we've changed in the settings are 8 bars of length and a chromatic scale. Click the check. And we are ready to go ahead and get started. The first thing we're going to do is set our tempo down below and the instruments that Satisfied is usually heard on. For tempo, we're going to speed up just a little bit to 124 right here. If you can't move the circle to 124, you can actually click and add it here manually, or if you're on an iPad, touch the number on the screen with your finger and you can manually type in 124. For instruments, it's set to the marimba. We're going to set this to the piano, and our drums, we're going to use the kit drum section. So I know my screen might look a little bit different to you guys if you're doing this on an iPad, but for me, at least what I'm seeing, I've got this white section, gray section, white section, and if I continue on, it just goes white, gray, white, gray. To get started, we're going to do the percussion, which is either made up of triangles or circles. For Satisfied, you've got a circle, 3 skips, triangle, 3 skips. And if you do it right, you'll just have circle, 3 skips, triangle, 3 skips, and then you are in the gray section for circle, 3 skips, triangle, 3 skips. Continuing down the line, circle, 3 skips, triangle, 3 skips. It's going to stay the same until we get to the very end, which should be a gray section. But keep going, circle, 3 skips, triangle, 3 skips, until, like I said, we get to the very end. This last gray section is completely different. It has 4 circles, triangle, circle, triangle, circle. So check to make sure that every other section is circle, 3 skips, triangle, 3 skips, until the very end when it is 4 circles, triangle, circle, triangle, circle. Go ahead and check that. I'm going to play what we have so far. Just like that. Go ahead and check your percussion, and then we will go on to the piano. So we're going to start not on the low red. We're actually going to go all the way up. You can see this thicker blue line. We're going to start right here. That's going to be our very first note. Actually, just to keep this simple, go ahead and keep that lower red right here. So the first column has low red, high red. Once you have them both, focus on the upper section, so above this blue line. We'll add some things below it, but for right now, we have red, no skips, up 2. So red, and then this is like an orangish yellow. If you can see, 1, 2, 3, 4 up, bum, bum. And then next, again, no skips, light green, then a teal, purple or magenta, teal. Check all of this. Again, there are no skips. It is red, orangish yellow, light green, teal, magenta. Magenta is 2 up. It's like 1 from the top. And it sounds like this. And then after you have this little mountaintop here, we will do it again. Now, this is the only time it's going to do this. It's going to change, so don't do this mountaintop over and over. So now you have 2. Excuse me, you do not want that red one. You actually want to jump down. Here's that thick blue line here. So it will sound like this. Pause anytime you need to if you're checking these notes. But right now we've got 1 triangle section, 2 triangle sections. This magenta below the thick blue line is the first column of this white section. So I'm going to scoot over. Now we have that magenta. We're going to go back up, have that same orangish yellow that you had before, same light green, same teal, same magenta, teal, green, orangish yellow, and another magenta. Check that. Again, it will sound like moving on from that section, you have your magenta, you're jumping right back up again. You can see the pattern here. Go. Now this one, you're going to go back to the red. There we go. I'll scooch mine over. Again, pause if you need to. So far we have and we do that one again. Now, I know this looks like a pattern that's going to continue, but it will change at the very end. That last gray section will look a little bit different. So now I filled in everything up until the final section, and it sounds okay. Before we do that last section, I'm going to go back to the beginning of the song. I'm going to actually go down below our little arpeggios, which are our little mountains. The very bottom, I know we had the red. We're going to put another red underneath this red. This is the first column of the gray section. Nothing needs to be added here to the magentas. Skip ahead. You have this magenta, this magenta. Go back to where you have reds again. So that's here. Go find the light green. There it is. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 below the red. Jump over here, do the same thing. And I believe that's the only part we have to add. And here are those greens. Sounds right so far. So let's do that last gray section. This one's going to be completely different from anything we've done before. So our very first column will have a magenta, a teal, a light green, yellow, and a orange. So like orangish yellow here and then orange. And you're going to go back up to the teal, magenta, and then the orangish yellow. Check those, make sure that looks right to you. If you did this right, there will be no skips, and the very last column will be that orangish yellow. Let's hear it. If If you want to, you can speed it up a little bit. I'll take mine to 138. 135. You can also try on other instruments as well. But there you guys have it. That is Hamilton Satisfied. If there's any other songs you guys would like to see, let me know down below in the comment section. Be sure to give this video a huge thumbs up, subscribe for future uploads, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!